This video, I'll show you how to fix missing Nvidia control panel display settings. Step 1. Check your connections. If you're on a desktop PC, make sure your HDMI or DisplayPort cable is connected to your graphics card, not your motherboard. The graphics card ports are usually lower on the back of your PC, while the motherboard ports are higher up. You can also try using a DisplayPort cable instead of HDMI. Step 2. Switch to your dedicated GPU. If you're on a laptop, you may need to switch to your discrete GPU. The easiest way is through your laptop's software. Asus and ROG laptops use Armoury Crate. MSI laptops use MSI Center. Acer laptops use NitroSense. In the app, look for a setting called MUX Switch, GPU Switch, or GPU Performance. For MSI, it's under Features GPU Switch. For Armoury Crate, go to Home GPU Performance and select the optimized option. After making changes, restart your computer. If you don't have an app, you'll need to switch GPUs in the BIOS. Be careful, and look up instructions for your specific laptop. Step 3. Use an external monitor. If needed, connect a monitor to your laptop. Right-click your desktop, go to Display Settings, select your external monitor, and check Make this my main display. Step 4. Open Nvidia Control Panel. Right-click your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. On Windows 11, you may need to click Show More Options. You should now see the Nvidia display settings. If not, restart your computer and the issue should be fixed. That's it. If this helped you, consider leaving a like.